they may not have any Cantonese dialect film for less than 2 or 3 years, because all will speak in 普通話, because for the China big culture, so that big market, so that no one will use the dialect of Cantonese. Unfortunately, the Cantonese, the city of Guangdong and many cities still use Cantonese dialect, so that we may have the chance to survive, because this still has some market in there. I just want to say that when something is beautiful, even I think that I'm not very much highly appreciative of this music, but I think that if some kind of music is there, why not give the people more choice? Maybe some like this, maybe some like that. Maybe, for example, Bai Man Lam Yam to the Bai people, just like the blues to the bad American bad people. This can bring down the dignity, to bring down value, to bring down pride. Why we cannot sustain something to help them to preserve this? The interest of one kind of music to another is depend on them. But at least they know what is Bai Man Lam Yam, Dei Shui Nam Yam. This is at least what can I do?